Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to get Crunchyroll Premium absolutely free of cost. So this is totally legal and legitimate. So to get this, follow the step by step tutorial. Firstly you have to go to your browser and here you have to search zoom.com and then you will get interface. You have to create an account firstly. So I have already created, so I am signing in. Click on sign in. So this is my email, this is my password, and then click on sign in. So we have successfully signed in Oxam. So after that you have to click on this browse free services, and then here you have to click on this. So this is the official website, so click on this website where we have to log in. So click on login, and here you have to put email address and password. So go to and click on email. So email, copy it, paste on, click copy it password, and then put the password in the password box. Click on login. So we have successfully logged in. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.